This message is for the Cicada 3301 solvers communities. There's something important you should know about the Sevens Exposed puzzles. You need to know who created them, and it's not who you thought it was. It was actually MGO Visual Studios, a small Italian media group with direct ties to several Masonic organizations. The number of visual consistencies between the Sevens Exposed deprogramming videos and a video created by MGO is too significant to be a coincidence. These videos even feature strikingly similar music. In addition to these synchronicities, a video interview with one of MGO's members, whose identity is obscured here to protect their privacy. Behind them is a collection of books on esotericism and cryptography, including one titled The Power of Runes. A cryptic image was also found on this individual's Facebook page. It shows the Agrippa book overlaid with the following lyrics. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end it doesn't even matter. A song by Linkin Park. Still not convinced? There's more. Did you catch it? Why is this information important? Because the Sevens Exposed puzzles may hold the key to solving Liber Primus. After all, the connection to Cicada 3301 should not be ruled out on a false premise.